Hey guys, today we are gonna make Galouti Kebabs. So I have this tray ready of all the spices. So let's quickly get started. So first we are gonna add some bay leaves in our jar. And then I'm gonna crush a little bit of cinnamon stick like this. And then gonna add. Then I'm gonna add black cardamom. Let's go. Some red chili and a few of peppercorns, and then we have some cloves here, like around 4 or 5. Then I have some ginger. Then I have some garlic. Then I have some cucumber. I did not have raw papaya, so you can use cucumber as a substitute. There we go. And then I am gonna also put some green cardamom. And there goes our lal mirch. So now I have added all spices in the jar, you can see. So let's quickly go ahead and grind this. Let's go. So let's grind them up now. So my spices are grind now, you can see. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro now. I don't like to add powder, but if you don't have that, you can also add it. And 1 egg. Now let's grind it again. So now our paste is done. Let's go, let's see. Wow, it looks so rich. So let's keep it aside. And now comes our main part. I'm gonna grind my chicken, like mince or chicken, whatever you can say, in this blender. I have washed my chicken. I have chicken thigh. So let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna close it and turn it on, then just chop it. That's it. So I have my minced chicken ready now. Let's go. I am gonna add a bit of salt so that all the moisture from the chicken should leave now, and I'm gonna use my hands. Let's go. Now the main part, your spices. I have my jar just over here. I am gonna start adding a little bit. Let's go. Just make sure all the minced chicken should have these spices like properly mixed up. Otherwise, you won't like chicken without the spices, you know. And if you think you do not have much like a paste left, at the end, just use any of the masala, like if you have any tandoori masala or chicken tikka masala, so that chicken does not have a raw taste. my chicken is mixed with all the spices. Now it's time to add our roasted gram flour or besan. So let's go. At least we are gonna add like at least 4 to 5 teaspoons. So you see how my chicken looks now. It's well mixed. So I'm gonna shape it now, but let me first go wash my hands. So you see my hands are clean now, and we have this minced chicken ready. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna make some space in the bowl. Like you see, and then I have taken like a bowl and I'm gonna put it in the between of this minced chicken, and I've also added some ghee or oil or butter, whatever you have available. You can add that. After this I'm gonna add a coal on top of it. So wait. So now we are gonna add a coal in this. Let's go. So you see the flames, and now cover it. Keep it for like at least 10 minutes. That would be enough. Good. Okay, so let's take this out. Wow. It gives such a smoky flavor. Let's take this out now. So I'm gonna take a plate now, add some oil. Okay, I think it's more than enough now. So I'm gonna put some oil on my hands as well, because we are gonna make our kebabs. Let's keep it aside, and then so I have these kebabs ready. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge for like 10-15 minutes. So let's go. So it's time to shallow fry our kebab. So let's get started, and let's turn it on. So I will wait until the oil gets heated, and then I will add my kebabs. So all oil is heated now. So let's add our kebab. Be very careful because pan is very hot. Okay, so our kebabs are ready. Let's enjoy with some onions and some green mint sauce. Let's see how this turned out. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, just look at them. Oh, it looks so delicious.